Hello viewers, currently Flipkart Sasa Lele sale and Amazon Great Summer sale are running, but the price of tablet is not as expected. If a person doesn't know the best price of any tablet, he will definitely buy a tablet at a higher price tag because most of the tablets are on their higher price point. So you should not buy any tablet right now except few tablets. Many people were eager to buy iPad 11th generation. Currently it is showing 35,000 rupees and after discount you will get this tablet to buy at around 33,000 rupees. I don't think this is a good pricing for iPad 11th generation. You should skip this iPad right now. Similarly, if you want to buy iPad 10th generation 64GB Wi-Fi variant, in that case you can consider that iPad because currently the pricing is showing 27,000 rupees and after discount you will get that product at around 25,750 rupees. Similarly, if you want to buy Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE Plus, in that case the price for the 128GB Wi-Fi variant is above 30,000 rupees and after discount you will get to buy that tablet at around 29,000 rupees. I think this is also on the higher side because the best price for this tablet is around 22 to 23,000 rupees. The maximum price that you can pay is around 26,000 rupees and not above that. So as of now you should not buy Tab S9 FE Plus. Similarly, if you want to buy the 5G variant of Tab S9 FE Plus, in that case the best price is 35 to 36,000 rupees, but currently it is showing 50,000 rupees and after that you will get discounts of 6,750 rupees, so the effective price will be around 43,000 rupees. So I think this is also on the higher side. Next, if you want to buy Redmi Pad Pro, in that case the price is showing around 23,999 rupees and after discount you can buy Redmi Pad Pro at around 20,000 rupees, but I will suggest you to buy it from Amazon because in Amazon the effective price will be 18,499 rupees. Next, if you want to buy Xiaomi Pad 7, in that case you can buy this tablet because the current pricing is showing 27,000 rupees and after discount you can buy this tablet at around 25,000 rupees. I think this is a good pricing for this product because you are getting a very good display, processor is also very good, you will get great battery life and also it has support for pen, but the only downside with this tablet is that you will not get smoother software updates. Many users actually want to know whether they could consider Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 in 2025 or not. I think yes, if you get the good pricing for S9 you can definitely buy this tablet. The best price for Tab S9 for the 128GB Wi-Fi variant is around 35 to 36,000 rupees and above that pricing I will not recommend you to buy that tablet. Next, if you have a tight budget of 15,000 rupees, in that case I will suggest you two tablets. The first tablet is Oneplus Pad Go. You have to pay around 14,000 rupees for the Wi-Fi variant with 8GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage. And if you want to buy the 4G variant, in that case you may have to pay around 16,000 rupees. Another tablet in the list is Samsung Galaxy Tab A9 Plus. The current pricing of this tablet is around 15,000 for the Wi-Fi variant with 8GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage, but after HDFC credit card discount you can buy that tablet at around 12,299 rupees. So I think this is a very good pricing for this tablet and it is a budget friendly tablet. However, you cannot use S Pen along with this tablet, so you have to be aware about the fact. So in the conclusion, I think you should not buy any tablet right now except the few ones that I have mentioned in this video. Hope this video will help you to have the best buying decision. If you have any questions in your mind, feel free to ask me. I will try to answer those questions to the best of my knowledge. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day.